Sketch the graph of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to negative 1. Alright, so if we just draw our xy axis right here, then we should be able to draw these guys. Now you notice in the first equation, right, look at that, it says x is equal to 5. Okay. Now we notice in that equation there's no y value, right? Similarly, if we want to sketch the graph of y is equal to negative 1, we see that there is no x value here. Okay. So what's going on? Okay, so if you want to draw this line, x is equal to 5. Okay, now you notice that here's the x-axis, right? And here's where x is equal to 5. Okay, so then what does that mean then? What does this graph look like? Okay, it means that no matter what y is equal to, x is always equal to 5. That's going to mean this is a vertical line here. Okay, so because there's no y value, what this is implying is that x is always going to be equal to 5, no matter what y is, right? Remember, every point here, if you look at this graph, every point here has some y value, but x is always equal to 5. Okay. So then what can we conclude then about y is equal to negative 1? What kind of line or what type of line is that going to be? Well, here's the y-axis. Here's y is equal to negative 1. So similarly, right, this is saying, well, no matter what x is, right, no matter what the x value is, y is always going to equal negative 1. Okay, so that is going to be a horizontal line that goes through the y-axis at y equals negative 1.